Quite often patients complain of poor contrast when they're looking at a newspaper. They have difficulty reading. The other things are when they're driving at night or when the sun is very low in the sky, they get the symptoms of glare. And I always think that cataract can be diagnosed from the car behind, because the car in front will slow down as soon as another car comes in the opposite direction and then speeds up when that car's passed. So it can be a very subjective problem. It can be, for example, it's as though your glasses have got a smudge on them which you can't clear away. And it can just creep up on you and you adapt. You don't notice you've got the cataract until you start to have difficulties with driving, seeing road signs at night, that they're driving along the motorway and they pick them up very late when they've approached the sign and therefore miss their turn off on the junction.